Hey, it's Birdman. Time for the Arizona White Mountains podcast, Community Shout. Hanging out here in the studio, and of course we've got thousands of events that are happening this week. No, I'm kidding, because we're all wearing masks and stuff. Anyways, hey, I've got with me to start Allison Hephner. How are you?
Very good, Birdman. How are you?
Happy anniversary to my lovely wife.
Happy anniversary.
It's Tuesday when we record this. It's our anniversary, so there you go. I made her blush. Success. So you've got some things going on. What's up?
So I want to talk about the Community Health Needs Assessment. Okay, so this is a community health needs assessment that we completed in 2018, which what it does is there's three different things that we do. We have a focus group, we have epidemiological data, and we have a survey that we put out in the community to be able to access the data from the community to tell us what the community thinks that our priorities are when it comes to quality of life. So every 3 years we do an update, and guess what?
Ta-da!
3 years! So what we're doing is we've already completed our focus group. We're working on the aggregation of the epidemiological data.
Wow, that word.
Woo! And now we have our assessment. So we do have a survey. We're putting it out to the community. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes to complete. It is very important. It really guides public and private partnerships. It increases those. It develops strategic plans in addressing things. When we completed this in 2008, our community told us that substance abuse was a huge issue in Navajo County. It was number 1. Mental health was number 2. Poverty was number 3, which we had never seen poverty come up before. So we know that it was comprehensive, and our community was telling us this, chronic disease and sexually transmitted diseases. Since then, in, 3 years, we have gotten over $1 million in funding through grants to be able to address these issues. We have developed over 100 different public-private partnerships in addressing these issues. We've gotten communities involved, and we're starting to kind of see the needle move. So it's kind of a big deal. And it's all based around community input. And that's what this survey is. It's your input, and we need everyone that is a resident of Navajo County to take it.
So we're going to put the link down below.
Yes, please.
Right? So answer it. And by the way, so you can do this on your phone, you can do it on a computer. When you're on your phone, just scroll to the bottom and then click next. Because some people are like, I don't get it. Where are we at? So Scroll to the bottom, click next, keep answering all the questions until it tells you you're done. It's not that much time. Much like the census, which you should have already done as well, because all of this helps fund the things in our community. And if you're one of those people who are always like, well, how come we didn't get this covered? You got to answer the questions. You got to. This is almost as important as a voting. And so go do it. It's easy.
People suck at that too. I'm sorry. But yeah, so please, if you care about the quality of your life and those around you, please take the time to take this. It truly matters. And in 6 years, every 6 year, we revise the entire thing and we dive in a little bit more deeper. So just be a community member and help us out.
Awesome. Anything else?
No.
Cool. I'm going to let her go to her meeting so we can have a night out. So thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, hey, there's a lot of things that are going on up here, of course, and make sure you're being nice to all the restaurants, all the bars. Yeah, they have rules. But next weekend is the Show Low Film Festival, or the White Mountain Film Festival, whatever name you want to call it, doesn't matter. It's the Pinetop Lakeside WME Theaters. Go check it out. It's on Saturday and Sunday, which is the 17th and 18th, I believe. I got a calendar over here. Yeah, 17th, 18th. So, we're going to be giving away a couple screening passes. So if you're interested in going and you're worried about the cost of it, drop a note in here and maybe we'll hook you up with a free pass. So you can find it by going to the link down below and just clicking and get your tickets if you want and see what the schedule is all about. Okay, so I know there's a lot of people that are a little paranoid about vaccinations and stuff like that, but hey, this time of year, it's the flu shot time, okay? So you can go get your flu shots, check around town. There's a lot of places. Summit Healthcare has them. We've posted up that on the Birdman Media Facebook page. You can see what their schedule is. Of course, you can go to Summit's page as well to find the schedule. But here, I got a shot, so take a look. It's got little, it does. It's got little ponies on it. Now, I know it's important. You got to do this. This helps everyone else. And no, you're not going to get the flu from getting a flu shot. That just doesn't happen. It's a dead virus. So it just helps you. Yes, it's possible you could still get one of the other strains of flu. And yeah, you could still get COVID. But not the time to get flu when COVID's about because, that is going to be an issue. So go get your flu shot. Hey, that's going to be it for this week's Community Shout here in the Arizona White Mountain Podcast. Make sure you're hashtagging all your experiences, hashtag AZWM, hashtag Arizona's Backyard, and then the town or city that you might be in. I'm Birdman, and as I always say, if I don't see you around town, I'll catch you right here on the web. It's a wrap.